Good morning. More of a systems test than anything else. Perhaps we'll feature the protective eyewear. What I will be wearing. I think that this is probably pretty good. You know, it's you don't want the plague to penetrate the eye area. Of course, I do have the double mask on. This is in place of the full face shield. More elegant protection. Elegant protection from more civilized time. Oh, boy. Well, we haven't checked. Oh, let's check this out. There hasn't been anything on the airwaves lately. Nothing on the Citizens Band. I check it periodically and nothing. This is a full scan here and there's nothing. Breaker, anybody out there during this plague-ridden time we live in? That was channel 19. Breaker, anybody out there during this plague-ridden time in which we live? No. Well, it's not happening. It's just when times change and old ways depart from us and new ways take over. You know, these are actually a pretty good... I just realized it. The ones I just had on are pretty good, but you also have these as shielding, right? But these are also, these are like mega. These are like mega. Yeah, you know what? I wonder if I can get like a yellow tint wrap of these would be good to wear. I need to get on that right now. But these are actually, for... Okay. Swarthos. Big thumbs up. This is a sound check. I don't want any sound coming from there. Okay, I'm going to mute the mic and continue talking, and we'll see if anything happens. Mute. Bingo, back on, and we'll see what we get. All right. Swarthos out.